Hello everyone. Today we are going to perform V-I Characteristics experiment on our workbench available in Power Tools lab of Sliet, Longowal. This experiment we will perform in 3 steps. In first step we will connect SCR and load. In second step we will connect measuring instrument with the load with the circuit. In third step we will connect driver circuit to the SCR to operate it. Now we are going to perform our first step. In first step we will connect our DC supply to the thyristor. In DC supply there is plus 5 volt, plus 12 volt, plus 15 volt and maximum plus 30 volt. So we will connect plus 5 volt with the anode of the SCR. After this we will connect cathode of the SCR to the load, and after this we will connect second terminal of the load to provide the return path. Okay, so now our first step is complete. Now we will perform our second step. Now we will do 2 measurements. First one is current through the thyristor. For that purpose we will connect a ammeter in series with the circuit. So we will connect cathode wire to the ammeter and second wire to the load. So now our ammeter is connected in series with the circuit. In second part we will connect our voltmeter to the anode and cathode to measure the anode cathode voltage. So we will connect plus terminal to the anode and second terminal to the cathode. Now our second step is complete. In our third step we will connect driver circuit to the SCR. So this is our driver circuit. Here first one is gate. We will connect this gate to the gate terminal of the SCR, which is available here, and after this ammeter to the ammeter available in SCR. So now our all 3 steps is completed. Now we will connect our resistive load, which is of 220 ohm and 10 watt. So we will connect its first terminal to the first terminal of the load and second terminal to the second terminal of the load. Now our connection is complete. Now we will perform this experiment. So first switch on the supply to the workbench, and after that switch on the DC supply and also switch on the supply of the measuring instrument. So you can see that we have provided plus 5 volt DC supply and we are getting a plus 5 volt voltage across the anode cathode thyristor. Because thyristor is off, hence there is no current in the circuit. Now we will increase the voltage of the circuit plus 5 volt to plus 12 volt. Now you can see that our anode cathode voltage is increased to 12 volt. Still there is no current in the ammeter. Now we are further increasing the DC voltage to plus 15 volt. In this case there is 15 volt anode cathode voltage across the SCR. Still there is no current. It means thyristor is still off. Now we are again going to increase the voltage to plus 30 volt. Now you can see that anode cathode voltage is increased to 30 volt. Still there is no current in the circuit. It means thyristor is still off. We have checked the voltage up to 30 volt. It is maximum limit available on workbench. It means thyristor have more than plus 30 volt breakover voltage. Now to switch on the thyristor, we are going to apply this driver circuit. So switch on the power supply of driver circuit. Now you can see that anode cathode voltage becomes 0 and there is a current of around 13 ampere. It means thyristor is conducted and this is the current flow circuit. Result the circuit current, that is current flow circuit and thyristor at 30 volt. Now we are going to change the input voltage so that we can draw the V-I characteristics of thyristor. So now we will change the voltage from plus 32 plus 15 volt and we will measure the current, that is 0.07 ampere. Now we further decrease the voltage from plus 15 volt to plus 12 volt. And now in this case measure the current, that is 0.05 ampere. At last we will decrease the voltage from plus 12 volt to plus 5 volt and now measure the current in this case, that is 0.01 ampere, and this is the voltage drop across the thyristor. Sufficient for this experiment. Using the readings of this experiment, you can draw the V-I characteristics. As during this experiment there is no breakdown occurred in the SCR, so it means breakover voltage is more than 30 volt. Now you can, if you have any query or suggestion about this experiment, you can drop it in below mentioned comment box.